Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina. Today I have Yoga for Busy Days, a short practice to help you bring calm within a few minutes. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's come standing and taking a deep breath, lifting our shoulders up, breathing in, breathing out, dropping our shoulders. Breathing, lift, breathe out, drop. One more time, breathe in, lift, breathe out, drop. And then some shoulder rolls, breathing in as you come back, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Let's go in the other direction, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And then taking the neck to one side, taking the hand to the ear, just gently pulling, feeling a beautiful stretch on the neck. Relaxing the hand, let's go over to the other side. Gently pulling down, feeling a lovely stretch on the neck. You might even want to go a bit forward. And then bringing the hand to the side. Let's just close our eyes. Relax the tongue in the mouth, relax the jaw, and just take a breath. The jaw can become clenched, especially when we feel stressed. Breathe in and just feel the jaw relaxing, the tongue relaxing. One more time. And gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. So now the shoulders are relaxed, the neck is relaxed, the jaw is relaxed. Taking your legs slightly wide, just hip width apart. And then gently stretching up and coming down slowly, no rushing. Now you might be here, you might be here, you might even be here, you might even be able to touch the floor. And then gently coming up, raising your hands up in the air, bringing them by your side. Breathing in, stretch your arms up. Breathing out, bringing your hands to your knees or your thighs. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine, look down. Come down again. And slowly coming back up. Raising your hands. Coming up. And bringing your hands by your side. Breathing in and stretching up. Breathing out, coming down. This is really nice to do if you have a headache, just allowing the blood to flow to your brain. Oxygen allows you to nourish the brain, energizing it. Breathing in, look up, come up, stretch up. Let's go over to one side. Bring to center. Let's go down again. Remember to focus on your breath. The breath can be energizing and calming. Stretch up. And let's go over to the other side as far as you can. Coming to the center, arms by your side, and then coming down onto your knees. Now, if it's too much for you to have the mat like this, you can fold it and put your knees on there to cushion the feet if that feels comfortable to you. So this is called camel. Open up our hearts, our throats, especially if you're sat by a desk. It just opens everything up. So you're going to breathe in and stretch up, and taking your hands behind your back, maybe on your hips, and just coming back like this. Just go as far as you can, whatever feels comfortable for you, and then coming back up. Now you can do that again. Widen your legs slightly, or you can go a bit further. So again, hands on the hips, breathe in, and I just want you to stretch up, and then breathe out and coming back. Now you can stay here, or you can come all the way down to your feet, just pushing up the throat and the heart, taking the hands to the hips, placing hands on the mat, going from side to side, doing some hip circles here, one way, and then going the other way. Just really opening up the back, the hips, and then coming back towards your heels, taking your arms in front, or you can bring them in prayer or behind you. Just taking a moment here, feeling the calm, minds becoming calmer, bodies becoming relaxed. Just feeling that calm. Taking deep breaths. Breathing deeply allows you to nourish your organs, quieten the mind, relaxing the body, especially if you've had a really busy day. And then taking your hands in front, pushing up. Coming to seated. Closing your eyes, or having a soft gaze on a point. Just taking a moment to feeling the calm. Calm is possible even in a few minutes. Deep breaths, gentle movement, and just being mindful. Notice how your mind is quiet, the body feeling relaxed. And calm was achieved in just a few minutes. Gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Do share this practice with anyone who could do with calm in their lives, especially if they're short of time. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.